we are going to teach you how to prime your Mytee Escape. This is Escape 800. It has a chemical meter valve. So what we're doing is priming the chemical. All right, so make sure that the chemical is feeding through, and it'll come through this thing which hangs onto the side. Or you can have this tube dipped in any bucket where your soap is on. Make sure that the tube is all the way down so it's not sucking any air. And then you're gonna turn the machine on, and this is actually the fastest way to prime it. Is use the washout hose and put it in a separate bucket, and then just put a little dye in there if you want, or a colored chemical to siphon that so you can see it in the window. There's other ways to prime it too, and then this one you will put on prime right here. Getting the bubbles out, air out, shooting out of here. When this ball goes above the 10, and if you notice that this one knob was turned open quite a bit, so you want it quite a bit open, but not all the way open, so it doesn't drop or come out. But you have it open like this, the ball will start floating above the 10, and once all the air comes out, still a little bit coming out, I think it's pretty much gone, then it's done, and then you would just dial it to what you want. Typically for carpet cleaning is 3, so just bring this down to right about there, and then that's it. You'll be able to clean with it. Usually just need to prime it the first time, or if it becomes unprimed for some reason, like when you're making chemical. It does prime by itself. If you're cleaning for a very long time, eventually the air will come out, but the prime tube is just making it faster. The washout hose, this one, is just making it faster to do that. Make sure that if this doesn't work, then you've got leaks. So just go look inside. That should do it.